Hello, my friends. My name is Mike. Welcome to Learn English. Today, we are going to talk about something very important, something that almost every beginner does, and it's okay. It's completely normal. Today, we are going to talk about translating in your head. Do you translate from your language to English? Do you think in your language first, then change it to English? If you do this, don't worry. Everyone does this at the beginning. But today, I will show you how to stop doing this. I will give you simple ways to start thinking in English. While I talk, you will repeat everything I say, every word, every sentence. Don't stop. Just shadow me. Are you ready? Let's start right now. Repeat after me. I am learning to think in English. Good. Let's continue. First, let me explain why you translate in your head. This is very important to understand. When you are a beginner, your brain only knows one language, your native language. This is the language you learned as a baby. This is the language you use every day. Your brain is very comfortable with this language. Then you start learning English. Your brain sees new words, new sounds, new sentence patterns. Everything is new and strange. So what does your brain do? It tries to help you. It uses what it already knows. It uses your native language as a bridge to understand English. For example, you want to say, I am hungry in English. But your brain thinks in your language first, then it translates to English. This happens in just 1 or 2 seconds, but it happens. This is completely normal. This is how language learning works at the beginning. You cannot skip this step. Every language learner goes through this stage. But here is the problem. If you always translate, your speaking becomes slow. You need time to think. You need time to translate. By the time you finish translating, the conversation has already moved forward. Also, translation causes mistakes. Why? Because every language is different. The word order is different. The grammar rules are different. The expressions are different. When you translate word by word, you often create sentences that sound strange in English. The grammar might be wrong, the meaning might be unclear. Let me give you an example. In some languages, you might say, I have hunger instead of I am hungry. If you translate directly, you will say the wrong thing in English. Or maybe in your language, you say the adjective after the noun. But in English, the adjective comes before the noun. We say a red car, not a car red. So translation is natural at the beginning, but we need to move past it. We need to train our brains to think directly in English. The good news is that you can do this. With practice, with the right methods, you can start thinking in English. It takes time, but it is possible. Now, let me give you the first solution. This is very simple. This is very powerful. Start thinking in English with very simple thoughts, very basic ideas. 1 or 2 words at a time. Don't try to think complex sentences in English. That is too difficult right now. Start small. Start easy. Here's what I mean. When you wake up in the morning, think 1 word, morning. When you see the sun, think sun, bright. When you drink water, think water, cold, good. These are not complete sentences, but that is okay. You are training your brain. You are teaching your brain to use English automatically. Do this every day. Every time you see something, name it in English. Every time you do something, describe it with 1 or 2 simple words. You see a tree. Think tree, green, tall. You feel tired. Think tired, need rest. You eat food. Think food, delicious, yummy. This might feel strange at first, but after a few days it becomes natural. After a few weeks it becomes automatic. Then you can start making simple sentences, very short sentences, 3 or 4 words. When you wake up, think, I am awake. It is morning. When you eat breakfast, think, I am eating. I like this. When you go outside, think, the weather is nice. I feel good. See? These are complete sentences, but they are still very simple. Subject, verb, and maybe 1 or 2 more words. Practice these simple sentences every single day. Say them in your head. Whisper them quietly. Say them out loud when you are alone. Your brain is learning. Your brain is creating new pathways. These pathways connect English words directly to meanings without translation. This takes time. Maybe 2 weeks, maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months. Everyone is different. But if you practice every day, it will happen. One day you will think, I am hungry in English without translating. It will just appear in your mind. That moment is amazing. That moment means your brain is changing. The second solution is what you are doing right now. Listening and repeating. Shadowing. Shadowing is one of the best ways to stop translating. Why? Because when you shadow, you don't have time to translate. You just speak. You just repeat. You copy the sounds immediately. Your brain learns to connect sounds with meanings directly. No translation needed. Think about it. Right now, you are repeating my words. You are not stopping to translate each sentence into your language. You are just speaking. You are just following my voice. This is training your brain. This is teaching your brain to process English without translation. So here's what you should do. Every single day, spend at least 10 minutes shadowing. Find easy English videos. Find simple podcasts. Find clear, slow speakers. Listen to a sentence. Repeat it immediately. Don't think. Don't translate. Just copy. At first, you might not understand every word. That is okay. You are not trying to understand everything perfectly. You are training your mouth. You are training your ears. You are training your brain to work with English directly. After you shadow for a few weeks, something interesting happens. You start to understand without translating. You hear a sentence in English, and you just know what it means. You don't need to change it to your language first. This is called direct comprehension. This is what native speakers do. They hear English and they understand it immediately. No translation. You can develop this skill too, but you need to practice every day. 10 minutes minimum. 20 minutes is better. 30 minutes is excellent. Make shadowing a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth, just like eating breakfast. Every single day, shadow English. You can shadow while you cook. You can shadow while you walk. You can shadow while you rest. You can shadow anytime, anywhere. The more you shadow, the less you translate. The more you shadow, the more natural English becomes. Now let me give you the third solution. This one is very practical, very easy to do. Use English in your daily life. Make English a part of your real, everyday activities. Here are 5 simple ways to do this. First way, change your phone language to English. Right now, your phone is probably in your native language. Change it to English today. Right after this video. Yes, it might feel uncomfortable for a few days. You might need to search for settings. You might need to remember where buttons are. But this discomfort is good. This discomfort means you are learning. Every time you use your phone, you will see English words. Camera, messages, settings, photos, calendar, battery. You will see these words 50 times a day, maybe 100 times a day. Your brain will remember them automatically. No translation needed. Second way, label things in your home. Get some small pieces of paper, write English words on them, stick them on objects in your home. Put door on your door. Put window on your window. Put table on your table. Put mirror on your mirror. Put refrigerator on your refrigerator. Every time you see these objects, you will see the English word. Your brain connects the object directly with the English word. No translation. After 2 weeks, you can remove the labels, but the words will stay in your brain. They are connected directly to the objects. Third way, think about your actions in English. When you do something, describe it in English in your mind. You open the door. Think, I am opening the door. You wash your hands. Think, I am washing my hands. You turn on the TV. Think, I am turning on the TV. Use present continuous tense. I am doing something. This is perfect for describing actions happening right now. Do this every day. Describe 5 or 10 actions in English. Your brain learns to think in English naturally. Fourth way, count in English. This is very simple but very powerful. When you count anything, count in English. Count stairs when you walk up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count items when you shop. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Count exercises when you work out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting in English trains your brain to use English automatically without thinking. Fifth way, name emotions in English. When you feel something, name it in English immediately. You feel happy, think, happy? You feel tired, think, tired. You feel excited, think, excited. You feel worried, think, worried. Just one word, that is enough. Your brain is learning to express feelings directly in English. These 5 ways are simple. They take no extra time, but they are very powerful. They help your brain stop translating and start thinking in English naturally. Let me tell you something very important before we finish. Learning to think in English takes time. It does not happen in 1 week. It does not happen in 1 month. It might take 3 months. It might take 6 months. Everyone is different. Don't be frustrated with yourself. Don't think you are slow or not good enough. You are doing great. You are here. You are practicing. You are learning. Remember, translation is normal at the beginning. You cannot skip this stage, but with practice, with these 3 solutions, you will move past it. Start thinking in simple English words and sentences. Shadow English every day. Use English in your daily life. Do these 3 things consistently and your brain will change. One day, maybe soon, you will think in English without trying. It will feel natural. It will feel automatic. That day will come. Trust the process. You have practiced for 10 minutes today. You repeated every sentence. You did not stop. You should feel proud. This is real progress. Tomorrow, practice again. The day after tomorrow, practice again. Make this a habit. Make this part of your life. Thank you for practicing with me today. You are doing wonderful work. Before you go, write in the comments, do you translate in your head? Which solution will you try first? Share with other learners. We are all learning together. I will see you in the next video. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. You can do this. Goodbye, my friends. You're doing great.